Welcome back to Digital Expert. If you are looking for a telecommunication stock that could turn into a multibagger, this is the video for you. This stock is a significant player in the telecommunications and networking sector, focusing on both wireline and wireless products. They design and manufacture a variety of networking solutions, including fiber-to-the-X systems, optical transport systems, and switches and routers for wireline applications. For wireless applications, they provide 4th generation, 5th generation radio access network solutions, satellite communications, and broadcast radio systems. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share my videos with your friends and family. Let's get started. India is on the cusp of a telecommunications revolution. With an expected 920 million unique mobile subscribers and a projected 1 billion smartphones by 2025, the telecom sector is not just important, it's transformative. The telecommunications industry in India encompasses various subsectors: infrastructure, equipment, mobile virtual network operators, wide space spectrum, 5th generation technology, telephone service providers, and broadband. This sector plays a crucial role in boosting economic growth, enhancing connectivity, and driving innovation. 5th generation technology alone is expected to contribute around $450 billion to the Indian economy from 2023 to 2040, significantly impacting various sectors, from healthcare to education. In the Union Budget 2024, customs duties on telecom equipment were adjusted to incentivize domestic manufacturing, while duties on mobile components were reduced, fostering local production. The Department of Telecommunications is also targeting complete broadband connectivity in villages and aims for 70% fiberization of towers by December 2024. A cornerstone of these efforts is the production-linked incentive scheme under Atmanirbhar Bharat. With an investment of 12,195 crore rupees, this initiative aims to enhance India's manufacturing capabilities. Tejas Networks offers network management systems and element management systems for managing and monitoring networks. Tejas Networks, manufacturer of wireline and wireless networking products, has posted a very strong quarterly growth of 7-fold on year in its second quarter of fiscal year 25, net revenue at 2,810 crore rupees, with a net profit coming in at 266 crore rupees as against a net loss a year ago. The company serves a broad customer base that includes telecom service providers, utilities, government entities, and defense networks across more than 75 countries. The market capitalization of the stock is 20,374 crore rupees. The current price of the stock is 1,187 rupees. Price to earnings ratio is 122.14, higher than its sector price to earnings ratio of 19.91. Debt to equity ratio is lower than 1. Return on equity for the last financial year was 12%. On quarter-over-quarter basis, the net profit has grown by 250%, while revenue rose by 80% compared to the previous quarter. EBIT margin for the second quarter of fiscal year 25 came in at 16.3%, and the order book stands at 4,845 crore rupees at the end of the September quarter. BSNL's nationwide network expansion has significantly boosted Tejas Networks' quarterly revenue. The company highlighted that the wireless segment has received additional orders for 4th generation sites in several regions. Tejas Networks reported that it shipped equipment for over 58,000 sites for BSNL during the September quarter. The 4th generation orders from BSNL constituted a substantial 93% of Tejas Networks' total revenue from India. Looking ahead, Tejas Networks anticipates major orders, including BSNL's 4th generation and 5th generation upgrades, installation of the Kavach system for railways, and a private 5th generation application for a large enterprise in India. Tejas Networks has a substantial order book totaling 8,221 crore rupees, with the majority of orders coming from India and a smaller portion from international markets. Tejas Networks invests heavily in research and development to stay competitive, holding a significant number of patents and continuing to innovate. The company operates an asset-light model, partnering with EMS companies for manufacturing while focusing its in-house facilities on final integration and quality control. With a presence in regions such as the United States, United Kingdom, Mexico, Brazil, South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, United Arab Emirates, Bangladesh, Philippines, Singapore, and Malaysia, Tejas Networks maintains a broad geographical footprint. They face competition from major global players like Nokia, Huawei, and China, who have well-established market positions and diverse portfolios. Now let's talk about the PLI scheme and how it benefits the telecommunication sector. The Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme is a crucial initiative launched under the Atmanirbhar Bharat program to enhance India's manufacturing capabilities. It offers financial incentives to companies that achieve specified production targets in various sectors, including telecommunications, electronics, and pharmaceuticals. With an allocation of 12,195 crore rupees for the telecom sector, the scheme aims to reduce reliance on imports and foster local innovation. By incentivizing domestic production, the PLI scheme is expected to create approximately 40,000 jobs and significantly boost exports. So far, 31 applicants have been approved, comprising both micro, small, and medium enterprises and larger companies, with expected investments reaching $450 million. Companies that meet their production targets will receive rewards, creating a win-win situation for both manufacturers and the economy. Looking ahead, the PLI scheme is set to position India as a key player in global supply chains, transforming the manufacturing landscape through a focus on sustainability and cutting-edge technology. Ultimately, this scheme represents a commitment to building a stronger, self-reliant India, paving the way for a brighter economic future. Let's also look into the strengths of this stock. Here are the strengths of Tejas Networks based on the SWOT analysis. The MACD has recently crossed above the signal line, indicating positive momentum. Tejas Networks has consistently delivered the highest returns among stocks in the Nifty 500 over the past 5 years. The company has demonstrated strong annual growth in earnings per share. Its annual profit growth has outpaced the profit growth of its sector peers. The aggregate candlestick strength shows a predominance of bullish candlesticks over bearish ones. Tejas Networks has effectively utilized its capital, resulting in improved return on capital employed over the last 2 years. The return on equity has also shown improvement, reflecting the efficient use of shareholders' funds. The company has become more efficient in managing its assets, with return on assets improving over the past 2 years. There has been growth in quarterly net profits alongside increasing profit margins year over year. Tejas Networks has achieved rising revenue for 4 consecutive quarters. The company has generated net cash, with net cash flow showing improvement over the last 2 years. Annual net profits have been on the rise for the past 2 years. The book value per share has improved consistently during the same period. Tejas Networks has a strong position with 0 promoter pledges. Mutual funds increased their shareholding in the last quarter. The company is experiencing high trading volume accompanied by significant gains. The company benefits from various government incentives, including the Production-Linked Incentive Scheme for Telecom and Networking products, and the Semiconductor Design-Linked Incentive Scheme for developing 5th-generation infrastructure. Tejas also sees significant potential in the upcoming BharatNet Phase 3 expansion. In the future, Tejas Networks is focusing on ongoing investments in fixed and mobile networking technologies to enhance its business. These opportunities encompass the modernization of utility networks, investments in broadband connectivity, AI data center connectivity projects, and global 4th-generation and 5th-generation deployments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Also do check out other videos from this channel.